They did this one about 10 years ago.
What was it done for?
Huh?
What was this before?
No freight elevator.
Oh, freight elevator.
Yeah, I never got to ride it. They always told me it was broken, but the one day I literally saw it had glass doors on it, so I saw it going down. I said, "Oh, it does work." I went around the outside. I said, "Oh no, it doesn't work." I was like, "I just saw you guys do it."
Yeah.
That's the one on the end down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this one was done by Headrick Elevator, I believe 2008. And then this one was done by Wright Elevator this year. Let me
B. I'm not gonna step right.
Yeah, so this one we can only go to the third floor. It won't let us go. Won't let me go anywhere else.
Okay. Is that where your floor is?
Nah, my floors.
Jump up.
There you go, about. I can show you mine if you want.
Sure.
Hi, there goes the elevator. Hee.
Alright. Non-union company that was done by Eastern Elevators, or non-union division.
Okay.
Why would we push the button?
Yeah, that's mad.
So those people gotta lift that stuff up to that top one.
Yeah, they have like a step ladder.
Oh, they do?
Those
Okay.
go for like $25, so really
Oh,
cheap.
okay.
Because you gotta carry stuff in there.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah, so this
Oh,
one's
wow.
the new one.
Floor 2, going down.
This is bright.
Right.
Great elevator.
And we're in the right elevator.
Yeah, we see all these. Well, no, it's only 3.
Yeah. That makes sense. These lights are bright in here.
It's the cleanest you ever see it. Give it a year, it's gonna be banged up
Yeah.
and everything.
Third floor.
Floor 3.
Make it say,
Okay, floor 3, whatever.
Going down.
Then you can get 2 and 2R. Those are both open.
Beep. What do you think about this?
I never got to ride the old Lotus.
It's nice. Nice and new. Made by Right Elevator.
Yep.
Company that will
Like, they did a good job on it. It's literally a complete replacement.
Oh, there goes the rear door.
Able to get the car switch out of the sadly.
There goes the front door.
Let me see, I'll pull up photos of the old one.